Hi S1, I just wanted to quickly show you how to do the worksheet that I've sent you as part of your history lesson for this week. Your first lesson to do with Holocaust Memorial Day, which was happening at the end of this month and which you're going to be looking at for just the next few weeks. This probably looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. Hopefully you'll see in a wee minute that actually it's quite straightforward. The first thing that's really important is that you download it. Okay, because if you try and do this on Word online, as far as I understand it, it doesn't really like it when you try and move these kind of text box around. And that's the main task that you're going to have to do. So I definitely recommend that you download it and you save it. You don't have to send it back to me just now, but so it's okay if it's just on your own, in your own documents or whatever, on whatever device that you're using. So what you need to do is, if we take a quick look over here, you'll see there's a sort of spectrum. It starts with the green box, which says petty harassment and bullying. And then on the other side, you've got extreme murder and torture. So what we're trying to get at here is that the persecution of the Jews, the way that the Jewish people were treated under the Nazis, was completely awful. There was no good elements to it at all. So that's why that doesn't appear in the spectrum. The spectrum already starts pretty difficult. It's a pretty difficult start. You can see there petty harassment and bullying, because we know that bullying itself is really awful. So that's where we're starting off with. And what we want to do is, I've done one for you already. This box was over here. It says 1938. Jewish children were forbidden to go to school and universities. So what you need to do is you need to decide where on this spectrum of a line do you think that was in terms of harshness. So what I will say is, even I struggled with this a little bit. It really made me think about, okay, where does that lie? One of the things that I found that helped me when I was doing this was think, okay, so what is the long-term impact of that? So that's harming them at the time. Of course it is, not being able to go to school or university to study what they want. But over and above, how's that going to impact them or affect them in the long term? So I put it definitely not as extreme as murder or torture, being sent to concentration camps, but certainly a very, very harsh treatment that they were getting. So I've put it kind of in this section here. And so all you need to do is to have a look at some of the real life things that happened to the Jewish people and decide where on the spectrum they belong. Again, like a lot of things in history, there's no right answer, there's no wrong answer. It's just about what you think. And this is really just to get you thinking about all the different things, all the different ways that the Jewish people were treated during the Holocaust. And what we want to do is to kind of have this final picture here on this side that will just show a really clear picture of what the persecution of the Jews was like.